Cybertruck's getting stuck is coming to an end soon. As per senior Tesla engineer, who is working directly on the Cybertruck's drivetrain and differential locks. It's not turned on in firmware yet, but should be coming on in a month and a half roughly. We are hoping this puts an end to all the fail news regarding snow, overlanding, 4x4, etc. After the update, Cybertruck could climb a tricky hill with ease, albeit in the hands of an experienced driver. Upon activation, the overall off-road capabilities should improve. As the name suggests, a locking differential locks the wheels of an axle together. This allows the torque to be distributed equally to both wheels, which is ideal when one wheel doesn't have a lot of traction on the road. With the rise of over-the-air updates, Cybertruck owners won't likely have to bring their EVs to a dealership to activate the locking differential system. We hope the front or rear locking differential won't become a subscription-based feature similar to other brands like the controversial BMW heated seat subscription.